In this video I'm going to be working out an individual integral problem. It's going to be a straightforward u-substitution integral, which would probably be done in a Calc 1 class. We've got the integral of e to the x over e to the x plus 2 dx. Alright, taking a look at that denominator there, we can see that if we take the derivative of e to the x plus 2, we'll get e to the x, which will be that numerator, and then things are going to cross out very nicely. So we're going to let our u be e to the x plus 2. Take the derivative of both sides, we'll have a du equals an e to the x dx. And then going ahead and solving for that dx, we'd have a du over e to the x equaling our dx. Okay, coming back up to our original integral here, we will leave the e to the x in that numerator. We will replace the denominator with u, and we'll replace dx with what it equals, du over e to the x. That's going to allow us to cross out those e to the x's very nicely right there, leaving us with the integral of 1 over u du. And we know that the integral of 1 over u du is going to be the natural log absolute value of u plus c, and then substituting back in our value for u, natural log absolute value e to the x plus 2, and then plus c for final answer. So definitely straightforward u-substitution there, very typically found in a Calc 1 class. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so that they can benefit as well. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.